Atoms and radioactivity, the impact of science on our lives. Today, we're going to learn about the basic building blocks of everything around us, such as atoms and other key concepts. Let's take a step-by-step journey to see how everything is connected. An atom is the fundamental unit of matter. It is the smallest part of a substance that cannot be divided further while still retaining its properties. An atom consists of a nucleus containing protons and neutrons and electrons that orbit around the nucleus. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge, and neutrons have no charge. An element is a substance made up of only one type of atom. For example, oxygen is an element made only of oxygen atoms. A molecule forms when two or more atoms bond together. These can be atoms of the same element or different elements. A compound is always made of atoms from different elements. For example, water is a compound made of hydrogen and oxygen. While a molecule can consist of the same or different elements, a compound must consist of atoms from at least two different elements. For example, O2 is a molecule, but not a compound, whereas H2O is both a molecule and a compound. Let's return to the topic of atoms. At the center of an atom is the nucleus. While most atomic nuclei are stable, there are also unstable nuclei. These unstable nuclei can break apart due to external forces or their inherent characteristics. When this happens, nuclear fission may occur. Nuclear fission is the process in which a large atomic nucleus splits into two or more smaller nuclei. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy. When an unstable nucleus is hit by a neutron or decays on its own, it breaks apart into smaller nuclei. Results of nuclear fission. When nuclear fission occurs, the binding energy that held the nucleus together is released, producing a huge amount of energy. This energy is used in nuclear power plants and atomic bombs. In August 1945, to end World War II, the United States dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan, causing significant damage to the cities. This is an example of how nuclear fission was used in atomic bombs. Atoms, molecules, and nuclear fission are fundamental concepts that help us understand the world around us. These scientific discoveries have the potential to greatly enhance our lives. However, if used irresponsibly, they can threaten peace and security. It is essential that we apply this knowledge wisely and responsibly, ensuring it is used for peaceful purposes and for the betterment of humanity's future. Useful applications of atoms and nuclear fission. Atoms and nuclear fission are used in nuclear power plants. In a nuclear power plant, the heat generated from nuclear fission reactions is used to boil water, and the steam produced drives turbines to generate electricity. This process provides a stable and large-scale source of energy. Additionally, they are also used in the medical field, which we commonly encounter. Radioactivity refers to the energy released when an unstable atomic nucleus naturally decays. This radioactivity is used in radiation therapy to treat cancer and also helps visualize internal organs and tissues through imaging techniques such as X-rays and CT scans. Furthermore, radiation is used to inspect internal defects in automotive parts, check building materials, and sterilize medical devices and food, providing various benefits to our daily lives. Atoms, nuclear fission, and radioactivity are used in many helpful ways around us. However, because radiation needs to be handled carefully, it is very important to use it safely and wisely. By learning about radiation and how to use it responsibly, we can make the most of its benefits, right? Thank you for watching.